Good morning, students. Welcome to video lecture on artificial intelligence and machine learning with Python. Subject code U18EC502A. Topic Pandas. Pandas introduction. Pandas is most popular Python library used for working with datasets. Pandas is an open source Python package that is most widely used for data science and machine learning tasks. It is very popular because the following features. 1. It is commonly used for data science projects. 2. With the help of pandas, you can perform filtering operation, sorting, indexing, and cleaning of data with the help of single line codes. Pandas series. Pandas series is like a column in a table. It is a one-dimensional array holding data of any type. Here, pandas series is a single column data. Now here, uh, Pandas series demonstration from NumPy array. Here, uh, while writing code for Pandas series or Pandas data frame, in general, you are supposed to upload the libraries Pandas and NumPy. You can import as follows: import Pandas as PD, import NumPy as NP. Now here you can define the NP array, and here the syntax for Pandas series is uh, Pandas series name, let it be S1 is equal to PD dot series onto which data 1, onto which that Pandas series is created. Here data 1, Pandas series is created on data 1. Basically Pandas series is a single column data and with the help of simply specifying the variable or with the help of print uh, print yes, you can display the contents of pandas series. Here the pandas series single column element, these are the elements of pandas series, and these are the indexing values, default indexing values. Here the indexing values are not specified, so pandas series here it takes the values indexing from 0 to up to the given data elements. Pandas series with default indexing and with the help of simple list elements. Import library, define the data. Syntax: to create pandas series with variable name data2 on list elements, you can simply display the pandas series elements. Here uh, the indexing values are defined by default. The indexing values are not defined here. In the next program, we are going to specify the index. Here uh, within the syntax of pandas series, you can specify the index values so that in output you will get the specified index values retrieve elements from Pandas series. Import library, define data for Pandas series. Here, retrieving elements from Pandas series is same as retrieving elements in string and list. 0, comma 1. What it means here, it is it will display the output 1. Uh, how it is displaying A1? Let us explain. S of 0, comma 1. The basic syntax is the starting position to uh, here 1 means it is n minus 1th location. As you know how we retrieve data elements in the case of string and list. So here only the first element will be retrieved, and from starting to here, from starting to 3 means from starting position is 0, 1, 2. The 3 elements will be retrieved from Pandas series. Pandas data frame. Just now we discussed Pandas series. Pandas series means it is a single column data. Pandas data frame is a multiple column data. Here you can observe the multiple columns with column variable names name, age, gender, and rating. Now sample program on data frames using Pandas. Now here you're supposed to follow the syntax: import the library, import Pandas as PD, and then you can create data frame with different column indexing values, column name 1, column name 2, up to so on, column name n. And in each column you can define n number of data points or column elements. Here you are supposed to follow the curly brackets. Within the curly brackets, some quotation is given, followed by colon, followed by square brackets. Within the square brackets, you are supposed to enter the elements of each column. Here, imported the library, data frame name. No, here it is not data frame name, it is some data. Data with column name AIML, column elements, next column, column elements, another 2 columns with column elements. Now here I am going to create a data frame with variable name A, and the syntax is pd dot data frame of df2. Here it is the data onto which we are supposed to create data frame. It is the name of data frame, and here it is df2 is the data. And with the help of simple print command, you can display the data frame. Data frame means data in multiple columns. Sample programs on data frames using Pandas. Uh, Here, the difference between the previous program and this program is in the previous program, we are not mentioned the index values. So by default, the index values are starting from 0. But in this program, you can specify the index values. It is one more sample program to specify index value. Here the specification of index value, the program we already did in Pandas series. Now once again, we are repeating the same process to index different values in Pandas data frames. Sample program on data frames using Pandas series. Now here it is column name with colon. Column name is in quotation colon pt.series data with index. Here column 1 is having 3 data points. Column 2 is having 4 data points. Column 5 is also having 4 data points. And here if you observe in first column, only 3 data points are mentioned, and in the remaining columns 4 indexing values are mentioned. So here the fourth indexing value is not mentioned. So here in column 1, the index value will be specified, but here the value is not incorporated. It is filled with some default string name. Load CSV files to IDE. Here I am using Jupyter Notebook. In Jupyter Notebook, you can upload the CSV files with the space available. Uh, you can upload different CSV files. CSV files means it is comma separated values. It is like Excel file. Uh, Suppose if we have some uh, thousands of rows and hundreds of columns, in this situation we cannot create data frame with the help of Pandas data frame. But here it is easy to deal with this type of files with the help of different coding syntax available. Now here, uh, instead of creating data frames, you can utilize the data which is already available in different data sets. Uh, the data sets can be of the format CSV, Excel, or JSON. JSON format data is also available. And here you can download the CSV files from Kaggle website or MNIST or any other website which is available on different webs. Uh, After uploading the data, it will show some iris.csv in the files of Jupyter Notebook. Here I have already uploaded iris dataset, flights dataset, some data.csv, cars.csv. Here to work with CSV files, uh, you are supposed to upload the data. It is mandatory, otherwise it will show some error. But some libraries like sklearn, the libraries are having some predefined data sets. You can utilize the predefined data sets which are available in those libraries. If the data set is not available in that library, uh, you are supposed to upload to the files of Jupyter Notebook. Now here the to read syntax to read data to files. Here I'm going to read the data from a file name .csv. Let us assume the file name could be iris.csv. Uh, you are supposed to represent in quotation followed by parenthesis, and here the syntax follows pd dot read underscore csv, onto which file the data is to be loaded, or to read the data what should be the name of the file which is to be incorporated in print command. And with the help of a simple print command, you can display the data which is already available in CSV file. Now for that, the sample program on CSV file, import pandas as pd df pd dot read underscore csv to read the data from CSV file onto the variable df, and with the help of a simple print command you can display the complete data frame. It is having 169 rows and 4 columns, 0 1 2 3 4 and 164 to 168. Now here this is the top 5 data elements, and this is top bottom data elements, and with the help of to underscore string within the print command you can print the complete data frame or the data which is available in CSV file. As usual, import the library, read the data from CSV file to the variable name df, print variable name dot to underscore string. This particular variable will print the complete data. And with the help of head, you can print the first 5 data elements, that is from 0 to 4, and with the help of tail you can print last 5 data elements, that is with the help of tail you can print last 5 data elements. And in data frames it is having n number of column elements. You can plot each column element with the help of simple plot command plt df.plot plt.show. And here for plotting you can utilize as usual matplotlib library. It will print the data points, all the data points, all the column elements uh, with given legend values. You can plot the scatter diagram by specifying what kind of plot it is, and you can specify the x variable and variable y variable which are already available in CSV file, and then with the help of simple plt.show it will display the plot, and with the help of datetime.now method you can print the current date and time. Just go through the syntax and observe the output. The next concept is data cleaning, means fixing bad data in your data set. The bad data can be empty cell, data in wrong format, or wrong data or duplicate data. Pandas for finding a relationship. You can determine the correlation between any two columns of your data set. That is here for our convenience, just consider C1 column 1, C2 column 2, C3 and Cn column n. You can specify the index values based on the number of data elements present in your data set. Here, with the help of correlation method, you can calculate the correlation between any two different columns. And it is very useful in linear regressions. If the correlation between if C1 and C2 are highly correlated in linear regression or multiple linear regression, you can consider either C1 or C2 instead of C1 and C2. By considering C1 and C2, it will duplicate the data. Thank you. We will meet with the next lecture.